So the first thing we can do is set up the iPad to make smaller videos, and to do that we click on Settings, we scroll down on the left to find the settings for photos and camera, and then we scroll down on the right to find the record video settings. This is set at a higher resolution, so it's going to take bigger files. So I'm going to set that to a lower resolution to make smaller files, and that will immediately mean that per minute of video the file size is smaller, so uploading will be quicker. So I'm assuming that you've recorded some video which are now on the iPad, and we want to compress them to make the uploads faster. So I'm going to go to the App Store and download an app to do this. So I'm going to search here video compress, and I can see a suggestion there, video compressor. Let's pick that. And I've tried a number of these apps. The one I'm going to settle on for now is the video compressor shrink videos, which is at the top right here, and let's download that. The reason I picked this one is because it's free, because it is easy to use, and although it does have a little bit of advertising, it's pretty unobtrusive compared to one or two of the others. So that's now downloaded, and I'm going to open that. Okay, when you open it, this is what you get. It's very, very simple. You have a choice of 3 different compressions. I'm going to pick the lowest one, so this is the highest level of compression, the lowest quality, just to show you actually how usable it still is. So let's pick on low, and let's find a video here. This is just an 8-second clip. So I pick the clip, and then I go to use. It's done it already. It's very quick. It now asks me, do I want to delete the original? No, I don't, so I'm going to click on cancel in a moment. But just before I do that, just to give you an idea of how much it's compressed it, in the middle of that little window there, you can see it says the original was 1.7 megabytes, the compressed is 78 kilobytes. To give you an idea of what that really means, it's about a 20th of the size, so that means that it will upload 20 times as quickly, which is pretty good. So I'm going to click cancel here so that it doesn't delete the original, and the job is done. So now I'm going to close this app, and we'll go and have a look at the result. So I've taken the same video and I've compressed it at the medium VGA compression setting and the low setting as well for the maximum compression. I'm going to go into my photos album, and I'm going to have a look here at the results. Now what you will see on here, if you're in album view, which is the bottom right hand side, you'll see there's an album created for just the compressed videos. So you can see here are the 2 that I've put in, the VGA quality and the lowest quality. It also stores them, if you're in album view, back in your original videos folder. So let's open that up. And on here you can see there are many videos, but including the original. So I'm going to put the original one up, and then followed by the VGA one, and followed by the low quality one, just so you can see the impact on the quality of the image, so you can decide for yourself what quality you want to use. Here's the original. Okay, that's pretty clear. I'm not going to play it. I'm going to put the videos back to back on the end of this training clip, so you can actually hear them playing. I'm going to go now to the VGA quality one. I'm slightly hard pressed to see the difference, even though it will have reduced it to probably about a quarter of the size of the original. And now I'm going to go to the low quality one that we did a moment ago, and you can see this is notably fuzzy. But the point I'm going to make here is that the quality of the audio actually remains the same, and my argument would be with these videos is very often it's the quality of the audio that you're after.
Bonjour, j'aime les Français, car selon moi, le prof est très sympa. Bonjour, j'aime les Français, car selon moi, le prof est très sympa. Bonjour, j'aime les Français, car selon moi, le prof est très sympa.